shoes on the floor.
Welcome to Texas, y'all. If you're ready for something delicious, just keep watching.
Ooh. I was chasing every shining thing, busy hands and a buzzing mind. Then your kindness broke into my plans, showed me work you drew before all time. I am handmade by hand, every step in a story you wrote. You prepared every pathway I'm treading, so I walk in the works of your love, your love. So I walk in the works of your love, your love. I still stumble when the road turns steep. I still doubt when I can't see through. But you whisper, child, I'm not surprised. Every good thing waits ahead of you. I am handmade by heaven, every step in a story you wrote. You prepared every pathway I'm treading, so I walk in the works of your love, your love. So I walk in the works of your love, your love. Not by what these tired hands can bring. Grace already opened every door. I just follow where your mercy leads, finding all you finished long before. I am handmade by heaven, every step in a story you wrote. You prepared every pathway I'm treading, so I walk in the works of your love, your love. So I walk in the works of your love, your love. Yeah. Ooh. Quiet morning, cup of coffee in my hand, reading words that I still struggle to understand. God of hope on the page in front of me. Is this promise really meant for hearts like mine to see? God of hope, fill me with your joy and peace, as I trust that the restless worry cease. By your spirit, let this fragile heart believe, till I overflow, overflow, with hope that overflows from you and me. Oh, oh. Afternoon light finds the corners of my doubt, fear and failure, all the stories I play out. But your kindness cuts a quiet, steady line through the shadows, whispering that future's still my design. God of hope, fill me with your joy and peace, as I trust that the restless worry cease. By your spirit, let this fragile heart believe, not in what I hold, but in every word your spirit has told. Teach my trembling faith how to breathe and grow, till the smallest seed becomes a tree of hope. God of hope, fill us with your joy and peace. As we trust, let our anxious striving cease. By your Spirit, make our tired hearts believe, till we overflow, overflow, with hope that overflows from you and me. Till we overflow, overflow, with hope that overflows eternally. Falls across my window, heart still racing from the day. Every headline, every shadow tries to pull my hope away. You say peace I leave with you, not as the world can give. Calm like a quiet river, teaching my soul to live when every thought runs wild and I forget what's true. You breathe, let your heart not be troubled. Your peace is here with you. Coffee cup still on the table, phone lit up with one more fear. Hear your steady voice so clear. You say peace I leave with you, not as the world can give. Calm like a quiet river, teaching my soul to live when every thought runs wild and I forget what's true. You breathe, let your heart not be troubled. Your peace is here with you, not in the answers I can see, not in the plans I try to keep. You hold my days, my destiny. You sing your rest over my sleep. You say peace I leave with you, not as the world can give. Calm like a quiet river, teaching my soul to live when every storm blows in. I cling to what you spoke. You say, let your heart not be troubled. Your peace cannot be broken. Your peace cannot be broken. Saw the hurt I hide inside, all of the grudges I kept tight. You laid your mercy on my pride, showed me a softer way to fight. Kindness like a river flowing through my heart, tender when I'm bitter, tearing walls apart. Just as you forgave should have said. Lingered like thunder in the air. You wrote a blessing there instead. Call me to heal with every prayer. Kindness like a river flowing through my heart. Tender when I'm bitter, tearing walls apart. Just as you forgave me, teach my soul to see. Kindness like a river running out of me. Be my gentle answer when anger starts to rise. Make my heart a harbor where weary voices find. Compassion in the struggle, patience in the strain. Your love in every word I say, your grace in every pain. Kindness like a river flowing through my heart. Tender when I'm bitter, tearing walls apart. Just as you forgave me, teach my soul to be. Kindness like a river, let that river be me. Quiet morning, coffee steam, an open page. I read your promise. Let it settle, let it stay. You say delight a year, and you will shape my heart. Desires turning into where you are. I will delight in the Lord. I will delight in the Lord. You are the joy I'm chasing. Every longing finds its place in you. Only you. I will delight in the Lord. Plans and pressures crowd the corners of my day. Still you're gentle, calling me a different way. Teach me to trust your time, to want what you would choose, to find my treasure in the gain of losing you. I will delight in the Lord. I will delight in the Lord. You are the joy I'm chasing. Every longing finds its place in you. Only you. I will delight in the Lord. Sunlight on the floorboards, shadows dance across the room. Quiet in the corners, still my heart leans into you. Every little heartbeat, like a secret you once knew. I breathe in the silence, and it's full of you. The wind sings your name, I can feel you all around me. In every sway of the trees, you're holding everything steady. The wind sings your name, and my worried thoughts fall gently. You're closer than the air I breathe. You're all around me. Footsteps on the sidewalk, ordinary passing days. Somewhere in the small talk, I still hear amazing grace. Even in the aching, when the answers never show, I lean on the promise, you won't let me go. The wind sings your name, I can feel you all around me. In every sway of the trees, you're holding everything steady. The wind sings your name, and my worried thoughts fall gently. You're closer than the air I breathe, you're all around me. Footsteps on the sidewalk, ordinary passing days. Somewhere in the small talk, I still hear amazing grace. Even in the aching, when the answers never show, I lean on the promise, you won't let me go. The wind sings your name, I can feel you all around me. In every sway of the trees, you're holding everything steady. The wind sings your name, and my worried thoughts fall gently.